Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing most valuable, beautiful, powerful Lord SUKRAN conch pearl collected from the Indian Ocean sea conches. Extremely huge size, 38 carat in weight. Beautiful Lord SUKRAN conch pearl gives you happy, healthy life. This is all nature of the conch pearl. Beautiful, extremely huge size, 38 carat in weight, pure weight. Lord SUKRAN conch pearl from Indian Ocean gives you very happy, healthy life. Now I will show under the light to prove its originality. See, now you can see inside the conch pearl. It shows the originality of the conch pearl. Very beautiful internal structure. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See how beautiful the internal structure of the conch pearl. It shows the originality of the conch pearl. Huge size, Lord SUKRAN conch pearl collected from the Indian Ocean sea conches, gives you extreme bliss of Lord SUKRAN and gives you very happy, healthy life. It's a pure white color. Same conch pearl can also taken as a goddess Mahalakshmi conch pearl. Same conch pearl can also taken as a goddess Mahalakshmi conch pearl. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.